only AS out of the whole store. Next to the entrance. There are hardly any ceiling mounts throughout the whole store, but this is one of them. Wall mounts throughout the whole store. And this used to be, all of them used to be the NS with wait, hang on. Sorry, I can't talk. There used to be NS throughout the whole store with Wheelock and NS, except they're labeled Gamewell. Firelight. Labeled Firelight. Where this showed you was Exceder on the wall. That used to be an RSS strobe. This was the first one, and this is in the cooking department. This is the first one of the whole store. Again, they used to be NS. And these are all horn strobes. I'm not gonna walk around the whole store showing all of them, so this is it. Next is words. This is this. Enunciator. Vintage phone I found in the Woods apartment. Surviving NS is outside.